Nero eduke cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati wigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona? Sasa hii ni dawa au ni mashariki? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je? Wairevia mwanchia muriga Getembe TV ritkori Alhamis Chinsa Isano na Ibere tariki cheri tukeri gani 15 na Sept mutenyo kianda Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenge Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso una wimanyiriro njengero ka Catherine Nyaboga kabana intoika omwario na togo chaka abaoncheroria abakabake kurwa ensemo ya mweme gotoka ibunge ya Nyaribari chachi county ya Kisii nigo abagendrete kobara na korera sarenene kubotikana no botaguri bubyoski okuko gendrete asense meyu anemono ase parenene kurumo chobosongo gochia omochi okirigoris korengana na barabo ekiganigo kyabaire niri magegase obonchurire na tibaire mangana gose robot gose notice mapema igoro botaguri obobwaru beire kurwa amatuko amagega na kuboria gokonywa konyora obwene bwa
Batebeti bantu no baremi no biremi bagansa gotagore bintu biremi bakeste pano yale nke gansa komesa ona batagore te bintu bagasa bakama bati kino not simbarueti
bono no kuma ko umuntu asara enasana nda kwarta kaiga ngaba como sia sintia ngora gake so kwanje kwabo kimbako sa ko rusi bintu pikafura beto mwenye ngaki ko isbale binte diga kwa to mungino yo kiano mubora kale bono ya ko nyana ko nyaka simuni ko nyara bana bai nerbe ko nyo bueno nkendoro obeka mungu kubwate kana onde ko mokonya bona kabeka atiga kole onya ko nyingi sana una mzini kole chia mokonya abone dwa ko asara babukate ne ebintu bya ko bya ngime ebintu bya sare dukurume bolo basa dukurushye binde ebintu biwate kredi bolo baba ko usiro kana kunguzana kotukuta bolo baji ko usire ebintu bitagara bya tegete bolo basi duke wa kora kubwate kana ba maito sinko chakere bolo bani de duke waso ko chale ko kutagora makabeka abantu asako bwasi ebintu kere ba konya ke tubike
bande byatagore tu inchoyo mobo nanyoreta sareyo biasara na begete ga konyona kanire deposit emitinye 3 eyikonyoreta raera ebintu bya biasire torro ese eli ya ku nyoka ga na gari ebintu binde bikagenda ntanyare ko rikaba weterana ntwa tunotisi ko rusie binte bimi tyo twale kwa saba onyondi yale konyarekana serikali yeito etokonye na to agento geke tuchiko chake stoko ge ndikiegere bona stoko chintoroji enga mne tori mne aseke sunte.
Muwaziri boborindi boime moske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo osemambia rero nigo aikia ebikaro bya jukwaa la usalama kaunti ya Kisumu. Okwana nabariki bamwangana posibwe bikarebyo Murkomen iga kwanera morobiri bwogo chikolika abanyanyimba byakiri bukomi as abayakiri bukomi ase ateba morobiri oyo nigo orachi okorekana ase obwene no bwasi oku asengencho ekiombekere ky'abanyanyimbo gia National Police Service nigo kiabirege komochwa na mamocho yobokurumi asensemende niga kwanera omorobiri bwobocho ryoboke obwo borobiri gochigo korekana omutenyu oikomi na limo na goteba nigo barache kwenana oborindi boisaini na mono chinga kiche campaign bunense moyo borendi na nigo araga balia barache guturubanya imisangirikano y'abamerere babo.
Guidelines for recruitment. The National Police Service Commission is now currently in a meeting and they will give us clarity of directions. I do not want to preempt the discussions. Of course, I have been briefed and eventually we will have, we want no bribery. The recruitment to National Police Service doesn't go to the highest bidder. That is our plan. Corruption is one area. As you know, we have been accused in the National Police Service to be very corrupt. And in this Jukwaa la Usalama, part of our discussions, how can we get rid of corruption in our midst? And part of that is also in our recruitment. We want to make sure that from the word go, the deserving persons are recruited to National Police Service, not those who have bought their way. So that is ongoing. On the question of by-elections, that we will, the Independent Election Boundaries Commission require the campaign, the aspirants to provide their campaign schedule. And that is not just for the sake of it. It's usually so that we can provide the necessary security support. So we are ready and prepared. And where there is need, because it's a few areas where we are having these by-elections, we are ready to support the county security team by bolstering their strength. Getting officers from other parts of the country to come and support them where there is need to ensure that there is law and we are maintaining law and order. It is also, you know, it is an election offense to disrupt a meeting of your competitor or to engage in criminal activity. So again, where IBC will find anybody committing election offense, we are ready to enforce it also in terms of ensuring that those people are prosecuted. Charged, arrested and prosecuted.
Chinga kechecho omoske murkomeniga kwanera na kugikiria ebikoro byukunire basubati anene mono kotocheranse abana abake asagikire ekore gyakorekana ritkuria moisonde meye bunge ya Subanov kaunti ya Migori asomonyaroko ya mubu imyaka 13 ore ekirasi ya JSS atacheronse na mangega yaye abakagirabo bakamusiarira acid asichinsemo chomobere oye niko sechio mubere oye na boigo komo myenta murkomeniga teba bachakira obotwi igoro yege korekyo asa boigo agikara igatie chimbwa ne mirobirio egendrete ase orogongo rwa Nyanza anne mono egento kimanyikaine buna disk matanga na goteba ekina kyo keire igatie abana bake abanyaruka gosariwa.
The other phenomenon that is serious here is the gender-based violence, sexual and gender-based violence. It's a very prevalent. In this county, the national average is 32%. In this county, it's 36%. And in this region also is higher. You are aware that yesterday there was a girl who was defiled and brutally murdered in Migori. And the Inspector General of Police has already sent us a team from the headquarters to support the county team to make sure that we get to the bottom of that act that happened yesterday. But this is not just one case, like the case of Migori yesterday. It's happening all over. This county, as I said, 36%. Part of the reasons why it's prevalent is because of repugnant practices, including disco matanga, including wife inheritance, including issues that related to broken family ties. And this as the people who defile our children are those whom they expect greater protection. Again, we want to ask non-governmental organizations, churches, our chiefs, our assistant chiefs to raise greater awareness through barazas, to also the community to cooperate with us to make sure that these criminals are apprehended, and the National Police Service must take very stern action against this issue. Again, because it's widespread in many parts of the country, we are going to have to look at this issue even with greater focus. We do not have rescue centers here, so it's important also that the county government invest in rescue centers to make sure that we can deal with these issues.
Mokonyi w'umuraiwensi ya Kenya Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo asioliribuna muraiwensi Daktari William Ruto Moiruto ritkorea ankyo nigo arachikorotota badia berikiri no murobere bobweni oshana eng'eria yabo bakonyora kera ritko moyego yo nigo orachiokorekana ase nyomba y'obura ya State House omochi o Nairobi asara achikuru roboti igoro y'abantu gwetania emilioni y'amanuguta Isano abo barachigochaka gokonyo gwakaniri wa Chibesa echochesha na serikali.
Kesho mtaona pale Ikulu tumeanza sasa, kwa sababu tumeanza kuassess wale watu wamejisajili kwa SHA ni wangapi, na tumeanza kuassess mapato ya watu mbalimbali ambao ni members wa SHA wamekuwa registered. Kesho rais ameitana pale Ikulu na atatangaza vile serikali itasaidia zaidi ya Wakenya 1.5 milioni kulipiwa SHA, hawatalipa hata ndui. So we are going to start with the initial 1.5 million Kenyans who are indigents. They cannot afford. Hata ukiwaambia 300 hawana. Yes, si kweli? Yeah. So when we said about this thing, people thought we are joking. So kesho ngojea pale Ikulu utasikia rais akitangaza the first 1.5 million. Na tutaendelea kuongeza idadi ya wale tunalipia. Wale wengine wataambiwa lipa 300, wengine 500, wengine 600, wengine 1000. Ule wako na pesa kama wabunge wanakatwa 30,000. Ndio unasikia wanalialia. Lakini wanapata pesa mingi. Deputy President pia anapata pesa mingi, akatwe pesa mingi. So that we create an equal country. Na hii muradi ya afya, hii program ya afya is going to be one of the greatest success stories for the Kenya Kwanza administration. Leo hii tukiwa hapa, unajua mimi napata ripoti kila siku saa 4 ya usiku. Tumefikisha Wakenya wangapi wamejisajilisha? Today we have registered 26.3 million Kenyans. Hiyo ni karibu nusu ya watu wote wa taifa la Kenya. So it is slowly becoming universal. Today 26.7 million Kenyans wamejisajili. We want by December 31st, by the end of this year, we want to reach 30 million.
Togo skabosio moraibuensi ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto ni gamochira bamiriri abaye bagesiasa ase chinkwana chao babere bagotea buna ni gobarachi gutinenia emirobiro ya serikali gati abo morobiro bwa affordable housing gose chinyomba cha maguranse morobiro abo bubanyosha na boigo morobiro bwa gachi bwechiciro chekerero okwana kurwa county ya Mombasa chinga kyari kurututa bwa gachi bwechinyomba cha maguranse nsemo ya Nyali Ruto nigo aboreti abamiriri abaye bagesiasa baligichia agenda chingia baratumeke komumyoke natari kunya komocha emerobirio achakirie eromonye.
Mimi nataka niwaulize wale ambao wanashindana na sisi ati watasimamisha affordable housing, ati watasimamisha SHA, ati watasimamisha transformation ya elimu, ati watasimamisha transformation ya kilimo. Watafanya hiyo yote kwa nchi gani? Watafanya hiyo kwa nchi ya nani? Tutakubali mtu ambaye hana agenda? Mimi nataka niwaambie wale marafiki zetu, my friends, kwa sababu nyinyi ni Wakenya wenzetu, kama mnataka tushindane mambo ya uongozi ama siasa, tafuteni sera, tafuteni mpango, tafuteni agenda, wacha panganga, wacha mambo ya hekaya ya bunwasi. Hamuwezi kusimamisha housing, hamuwezi kusimamisha SHA, hamuwezi kusimamisha transformation ya kilimo, hamuwezi kusimamisha nchi yetu. Ama namna gani jameni? Mombasa mnasemaje? Mnasema tuende mbele? Sasa niwaulize wale majamaa ati agenda yao ni kuja kusimamisha housing, ati vijana hawa warudi waende wakae kwa mabanda, ati hapa irudi mahali ya kuweka takataka, ati watasimamisha ati vijana wetu, ati wa Kenya. Sasa Mombasa hii wananchi 1818 tayari wamejisajili ama kujiandikisha kwa SHA. Saa hizi wakienda hospitali serikali ya Kenya inawalipia, ati watasimamisha. Mimi nataka niwaulize ndugu zangu watu wa Mombasa, wale majamaa hawana agenda, mambo ya housing hawajui, mambo ya kujenga barabara hawana habari, mambo ya port hawana agenda, mambo ya maji hawana maoni, mambo yale mengine yote hawajielewi, hata akili hawana. Sasa nawauliza nyinyi, mtu hana agenda, hana mpango, hana taratibu yoyote, hajui vile barabara inajengwa, hajui vile affordable housing inaendelea, hana mpango wa afya, hana mpango ya
Togo chiagokorera kiombe kiobochorine chimbewe imeyensi ya Kenya ya Independent and Electoral Boundaries Commission IEBC nigo kiairere buna nigo kirachi kugania angechi shiringi wetanye ebilioni ya munugutainye elio gukora bene obochori oboke oborachi okorekana chitariki 25 cy'omutienyi oikomi na limo korengana nere Erastus Edung Ethekon oyore omunyakirogo bwe kiombe kyo